Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how to make a cheap electric bike for less than 500 euros. This is our old Ying Chang Gorilla frame that we bought without an engine at a local car meeting. We might have forgotten at the time that we were driving our old Mini, so we had to completely disassemble it to get it home. Next we found this cheap conversion kit on Amazon, which comes with all the parts you need including a 1000-watt motor. I made these calculations to give us an idea what the range could be. The electric motor in the kit is a brushed DC motor that is advertised at 1000 watts, but actually it's a little bit less. It's rated at 36 volts and 25 amps. Because we are on a budget, we chose for AGM Deep Cycle lead gel batteries. These three batteries in series would give us 36 volts and 25 amp hours. This means that our battery pack comes in at 900 watt hours. But because deep cycle lead batteries can only be discharged for a maximum of 60%, our actual pack is only 540 watt hours. We can then calculate the theoretical range. 0.6 hours at 40 kilometers an hour would give us 24 kilometers of range at best.
For testing purposes, the ignition key is here. As you can see, we have 39 volts already. The only thing I have to do is twist the throttle and the engine will spin.
Ja, dat zou ik ook, ja.
Because of the poor performance of a 1 kilowatt motor, we searched for alternatives. We found this Flipski 7 kilowatt brushless DC outrunner motor for an electric skateboard. This should be 7 times as powerful as the old brushed motor. Since the new electric motor is a brushless DC type, it needs an electronic speed controller, or ESC. The motor is rated for 200 amps, so we bought this C-Shark 200 amp water-cooled ESC. Unlike the Amazon kit, it is not just plug and play, so it's not something I would recommend if you are new to this.
Ja.
3 hours later.